we started here with the Indian national anthem. And while the national anthem was playing, I was thinking to myself that this song mentions all our states. And it mentions them all equally. It does not start by saying, this state is the best, and this state is the second best, and this state is the third best. The song basically describes India as a union of states. Very much like the United States. So often people say, oh, we share the fact that we are the two biggest democracies. But we share another very important fact, that we are both union of states. The United States, whose national anthem we also played, and in our constitution, it's clearly stated, India, that is Bharat, is a union of states. Which means, just like in the United States, no state is superior to any other state. No religion is superior to any other religion. No language is superior to any other language. My brother who's wearing a turban there deserves the same respect as somebody who doesn't wear a turban. We cannot say, look, we don't like him because he wears a turban, and we like him because he doesn't wear a turban. Or, he speaks Tamil, so we don't like him. And he speaks Hindi, so we like him. Or, he speaks Malayalam, so we don't like him. Right? And so Telugu. Right? Because when we say Telugu, we are not just saying language. Embedded inside Telugu is history, is tradition, is music, is dance, is food, is everything. So if you say to the people of Andhra Pradesh that, look, Telugu is not as important as Hindi, you're insulting the people of Andhra Pradesh. Because you're saying to them that your history is not important, your tradition is not important, your food is not important, your music is not important, your forefathers are not important. And this is the simple battle that is being fought in India. The RSS believes that India is one idea. And we believe that India is a multiplicity of ideas. And we believe, by the way, very much like the United States, we believe that everybody should be allowed to participate. We believe that everybody should be allowed to dream. Everybody should be given space, regardless of their caste, language, religion, tradition, history. This is the fight.